Yes, Trump impeachment in the Senate this week. Big tech earnings announcement this week as well. DAX hit all new record high. High performance in UK. Oil gliding down. Gold holding its position. Interest rate decision on Wednesday, hence volatility. Now that's the highlights for this coming week, guys. And I just started with this short summary of what we're going to extremely focus on this weekly analysis. So, it kind of helps you to be prepared of what's coming next. Now, remember, guys, this is a weekly analysis and forecast for all the Forex, commodities, and stock markets. Any trade that you're going to take is upon your own risk. So, remember, you need to have the proper risk management. Moreover, this video is for educational purpose, is not intended to provide you any sort of signal providing service. Now guys, let's crack on and see what we have for this coming week. Firstly, I would like to grab on looking at the US dollar currency index. The US dollar currency index has been on a fairly bullish uptrend at the moment. There's a lot of positivity on the currency pair, on the currency index, and that gives us a very good positive bias on the dollar for the coming week. However, there might be volatility due to interest rate decision coming up, plus Donald Trump impeachment in the Senate. So if you're going to have a positive bias for the coming week, how are we going to structure that trade? I think this was going to happen. I want to see the dollar currency index coming here and then moving all the way up to 98.42. Hence, let's jump on to currency pairs and analyze one by one. First, we have EURUSD, and the EURUSD has been forming such a good downward trend, and there's quite an interesting structure to it and helps us to understand and have a clear entry points and exit point. Now, what is our exit point and what's our entry point and exit point? Now here I'm going to look at the few strategies that I have in place on trading the Euro USD. Yes, so I want to see USD coming back all the way to this support, this support turning resistance area. We call that a pullback retest strategy. Now after reaching this area, I want to see a bit of weakness and start to see a fall off in the Euro USD price all the way down to 1.10015. This will be our take profit target for the coming week for the Euro USD. Looking at the positive correlated currency pair, that will be Euro JPY. Euro JPY is such an interesting pair to look at because it has a perfect balance. When I say perfect balance to it, when you have a weak euro and extremely strong Japanese yen, remember Japanese yen is a safe haven that creates a very good strong catalyst in predicting what the market is going to go next. Hence, my market analysis for this week on Euro JPY, I want to see a pullback here, a retest, and all the way down. Take profit at 120.33. However, if it breaks through here, there will be a very good entry point, putting a sell stop down there and looking to hit that what you call it, a breakout strategy trade and have such a good return. And we're looking at the take profit areas around this area here, and I should have put a line here, yes, right there. So I'll see take profits around there. This will be my target for the Euro Japanese yen. Now jumping to USD CAD. USD CAD is trying to gain momentum because of the positive dollar, strong bullish dollar plus weak oil. Now this is another perfect balanced trade. Talking about an equilibrium trade, I would say so. Yes, so USD versus CAD, Canadian dollar, Canadian economy depends on oil. If oil performs poorly, Canadian dollar loses value. Just like JPY analysis we had, now we expect this trade to keep on pushing all the way up, But what I want to see the price coming here, a little bit of consolidation, and that breakout, that'll be my catch inside movement to buy the USD card and take the profit around this area up here of 1.33184. Now if you don't see clearly the numbers, the target areas, just look at the right hand side here. We have 1.3318, the blue line. That'll be our take profit for the USD card. Well, I would say it's a far-fetched idea, it's a far-fetched goal, but all in all I can say is it's possible, looking at the fact that oil keeps on pushing all the way down and dollar is starting to gain positive momentum to the upside. Hence there's a huge wide space, or let's say area for the price to push its way to the top. All right, next trade, NZD-USD. What do we have for NZD-USD? Now NZD-USD, remember New Zealand has gained quite bullish momentum recently. Now we are having a bit of weakness approaching the NZD-USD. On the fact that we have a positive bias on the dollar, we should expect weakness on this pair. Hence this uptrend line, I want to see a reverse happening anytime soon. I want to see that reverse. I'm keenly waiting for that reverse to happen. Now when the price breaks through here, retest, then I'm gonna look for any short position going forward for the NZD-USD. GBP-USD, I don't like this trade because the pound is extremely strong. Anything might happen. Dollar is also showing some bullishness to it, so it's not perfect balance. The equilibrium is not there, so it's imperfect trade, and I won't like to trade it anytime soon. Euro GBP, I've been analyzing this trade for a couple months now. It keeps on doing what I want it to do. It keeps on selling and selling off time after time. Remember, Euro is weak, GBP is stronger, and that's what you want to see on your analysis. That's what you want to see on your fundamentals. Hence, I'm looking just further sell off to this particular support area. That is 0.83316. Now I'm trying my best to expose you guys to a lot of instruments to help you to balance your portfolio in trading. Just don't only to focus on Forex, but there are other instruments you can trade, like indices, to stocks, to bonds and all that, and commodities. Now starting with SPX, if you may know,